jant jigéenu weer yaa ñu leeral ya yonga cant kum fi ju yaa go veñ.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Jotaayu Mimi. Today I would like to raise my voice on behalf of the African migrants who got all insulted, got attacked by the President Kais Saied of Tunisia. He accused them of all sorts of crimes in a very derogatory way. It was properly insulting them. This is unacceptable. This is unbearable. Unfortunately, we didn't hear any African president condemning publicly such attacks on our migrants, because these are our people who are trying to cross the desert, take the sea illegally, but yet they still have rights. Illegal migrants are human beings. They do have human rights. They have to be treated as such. So I condemn the attack, because it's properly a verbal attack of the Tunisia president on African migrants. And President Macky Sall, who unfortunately welcomed Marine Le Pen, opened the door for such derogatory remarks on his own people. Because I assume Mr. Said considered that he can allow himself to speak the way he did. We ask President Macky Sall to ask his own Minister of Foreign Affairs to call upon the Tunisia ambassador for explanation and for public apologies. I hope that for the next head of states meeting at the African Union, the issue will be on the agenda. Because how come the president of a member state of the African Union can speak this way, in a racist way? How that can happen? This is a violation of the African Union Charter properly. So that issue should not be just brushed off the agenda, because it's about time that we get respected. We expect our leaders to stand for us. We expect our leaders to make sure that every single African is respected in his own rights. We didn't see that. So it's never too late. We call upon, first of all, our own president, President Macky Sall, to call upon the Tunisia ambassador for explanation and for apologies. And as I said, hopefully the issue will be taken up to the agenda of the next head of state meeting at the African Union. I thank you for following.